So, you know that incredibly annoying moment. You are finally ready to watch a movie. You have got your favorite snacks ready. You are totally comfortable on the couch. And then, you realize the remote is completely gone. It is probably stuck deep between the couch cushions. Maybe your dog knocked it under the table. Or maybe it just vanished into thin air like it always does. We have all been there. It is the most frustrating way to start your night. Well, Apple knows this, and they're about to kill that problem forever. The Apple TV Pro is coming, and the biggest visual change is not just a thinner box. It is a camera. This new version is designed to work completely without a remote. We're talking about using your bare hands in the air to scroll, click, and play. You will never have to search for a piece of plastic ever again. The current Apple TV 4K uses an A15 Bionic chip. It is fast enough for basic streaming. But the upcoming Pro model is rumored to jump to the A17 Pro, or it might even feature an M-series chip. This is not just a small, boring update. This is a massive leap forward. The old model struggled with high-end gaming. It struggled with simple video calls. But the Pro is built to completely dominate your living room. Right now, the current model sits at a $129 price point. The new Pro version aims for the $199 spot, and it plans to absolutely destroy the competition. Devices like the NVIDIA Shield or the Amazon Fire Cube are going to look ancient. Apple is making the hardware actually smart. We are looking at real 8K support. The current 4K model cannot even touch that. And it will feature a dedicated neural engine. This engine exists just to track your finger movements from all the way across the room. To make sure we're looking at real facts and not just fairy tales, let me show you what the industry leaders are saying right now. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman is a massive name in Apple leaks. He has been reporting in his Power On newsletter that Apple is actively working on a smart home device. He says it combines an Apple TV with a camera. He specifically mentioned FaceTime and gesture-based controls. Then, Mac rumors discovered actual snippets of code in the latest tvOS betas. They found a new camera capture framework. And this code is not for an iPhone. It is specifically for a stationary home device. 9to5Mac has also highlighted that Apple is trying to push FaceTime onto the big screen. A built-in camera is literally the only way to make that seamless. But it does not stop there. On the social side, Ming-Chi posted on X about this. He is one of the most accurate analysts in the world. He said the next Apple TV will likely feature a much more powerful processor. Why? To handle AI tasks locally. This fits the gesture control theory perfectly. Another leaker, Leaks Apple Pro on X, mentioned the prototype design. He said it looks like a wider, flatter version of the current box. He noted it has a glass front for the new sensors. Another tech analyst at TechRevette shared some huge supply chain news. The manufacturing supply chain in Asia is seeing orders for specialized 3D sensing modules. These modules are too big to fit inside a phone, but they are absolutely perfect for a set-top box. This is not just one random person talking. All the major signs are pointing in the exact same direction. Apple wants this Pro version to be the actual brain of your house. Look, the reason this is such a big deal for you is the tech inside. Let us talk about FaceTime first. Right now, if you want to use FaceTime on your TV, it is a mess. You have to prop your iPhone up against the TV screen. You hope it does not fall over. It is clunky. It feels cheap. The Apple TV Pro changes that entirely. It will have a built-in wide-angle lens. And because it has that massive M2 or A17 Pro chip, it can actually track you. Imagine you walk around the room while talking to your grandma. The camera will literally follow you. It uses Apple's center stage technology to keep you in the frame. You do not have to sit perfectly still anymore. But the no remote thing is what will actually change your daily life. Think about the Apple Vision Pro. You know how people wearing the headset just pinch their fingers in the air to select things? This new TV box is getting that exact same tech. It uses a LiDAR-like sensor. This sensor actively maps your entire living room in 3D. You want to turn the volume up? Just rotate your hand in the AI. Or like you were turning a dial. You want to pause your movie? Just put your palm up facing the TV. You want to scroll through Netflix? Just swipe your hand left or right. It sounds like crazy science fiction, But the hardware is finally ready for the real world. You are the controller now. Let's talk about the specs because that is what really matters at the end of the day. The current Apple TV 4K has 4 gigabytes of RAM. That is fine if you're just watching Netflix or YouTube, but it is terrible for heavy apps or big games. The Apple TV Pro is expected to have 8 gigabytes or even 12 gigabytes of RAM. Why would a TV box need that much memory? Because it's going to be a full-blown gaming console. Apple is aggressively pushing massive games like Death Stranding and Resident Evil onto their devices right now. They want you to stop buying a PlayStation or an Xbox. They want you to just buy an Apple TV Pro with an M-series chip. This tiny box will have more raw power than a standard MacBook Air. It can handle high-end gaming. It can handle 8K, 60 FPS video streams easily. I know what you're thinking. Most of us do not even have 8K TVs yet. But this is not about today. This is about being future-proof for the next 10 years. You buy this once, and you are set for a decade. Plus, it will support Wi-Fi 7. This is a game changer for streaming. If you have a fast internet connection, your movies will start instantly. There will be no loading bar. There will be no buffering circles spinning in the middle of your screen. Just instant, flawless 4K or 8K video the second you hit play. Now compare this to the old models. The first and second generation 4K boxes were basically just basic streaming sticks. They were slow to open heavy apps. Even the newest 2022 model is really just a fast streaming box. It does not do much else. The Pro is a completely different category. It is a true home hub. Because of those new sensors, this box will know exactly when you walk into the room. It can automatically turn on your smart lights. It can instantly show your morning calendar on the screen. And it does all of this without you even saying a word to Siri. It is basically taking the massive brain of an iPad Pro and putting it directly into your TV. Most people ask the obvious question, is it actually worth the extra money? If you just watch random YouTube videos, probably not. But if you have a smart home, it is a different story. If you're tired of constantly losing your remote, it is worth it. If you want to play real, AAA games on your TV without buying a $500 console, this is the only device that matters. Another huge benefit is the Apple Fitness Plus integration. Right now, if you do an Apple Fitness workout in your living room, it is a bit disconnected. You have to constantly look at your Apple Watch to see your heart rate or your rings. With the Apple TV Pro and its built-in camera, the TV can actually see your body. It can see your form. It can tell you if you are squatting deep enough. It can correct you if your arms are in the wrong place during a yoga pose. It literally becomes an interactive personal trainer that lives right in your living room. This is something the Amazon Fire Stick or Roku will never, ever be able to do. They simply do not have the power. And more importantly, they do not have the privacy-focused chips that Apple uses. Apple processes all of this video data locally. They will not be sending a live video feed of your living room to the cloud. The chip handles it all right there on the device. Your privacy stays completely protected. Wait, there is even more to this. The physical design of the box is going to be quite different. Because it has a built-in camera, you cannot just hide it behind your TV anymore. You cannot shove it into a dark wooden cabinet. It has to sit right out in front. It will probably look like a small soundbar. Or maybe a sleek, minimalist glass brick resting right under your screen. Rumors say it will likely come in a stunning space black finish. This will perfectly match the look of the new MacBooks. And for those of you who are rightfully worried about a camera staring at you in your living room, Apple has thought of that too. There are strong rumors of a physical privacy shutter. You will just slide a small hardware button on the device, and a piece of plastic physically blocks the camera lens. It physically disconnects the sensor. No hacking, no sawing, no vohing, just total peace of mind. So, here is the final bottom line. The Apple TV Pro is meant to completely end the era of the cheap plastic remote. It is faster than most laptops on the market today. It acts as a high-end gaming console. It is a pro-level video calling station for your family. And it acts as the ultimate brain to monitor your entire smart home. If you're planning to buy a standard Apple TV right now, honestly, you need to wait. Put your wallet away. The jump from the current model to this new Pro version is going to be the biggest single leap in the history of the product line. We're talking about moving from a basic media player to a futuristic AI hub. It is the device that finally makes your expensive smart TV actually look pretty dumb. Keep a very close eye out for the next Apple event, because this is the one more thing that absolutely everyone on the internet is going to be talking about. Get ready to use your hands, because the remote control is officially a thing of the past. In my honest opinion, this product is going to completely disrupt the home entertainment market. For years, set-top boxes have been boring. They just launched Netflix and Hulu. But Apple is finally bridging the gap between a computer, a console, and a smart home manager. The gesture control alone is going to make everyone feel like Tony Stark in their living room. If Apple can actually nail the price point and deliver on these gestures without any lag, they will have a massive hit on their hands. I am personally most excited about the Fitness Plus integration and the gaming potential. If I can play Resident Evil natively on my TV without a PlayStation, that alone justifies the upgrade. It is a brilliant move by Apple to lock people even deeper into their ecosystem, and honestly, I am here for it. If you like this video and want to stay updated on all the latest Apple leaks, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this video with a friend who always loses their remote, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.